My brother's beating the crap out of me.
If you'll use one hand to put the camera behind his head, I can show you what I'm doing.
Stop it.
Come in the screen. And you scared the crap out of me.
No.
You better like fall, but I'm not gonna actually hit you, okay?
No. You use this ball. Use this ball. Use that. Come on, get up. Get up. Let me get up. Get up. Stand up. Here, I'll even give you the advantage of standing on the bed and I'll stand on the floor.
Okay.
Tell the camera that you're about to beat me up.
You're on the bed.
Come on. Me?
Yeah. What do you want to do?
Oh, wait, do you want me on the bed?
No.
Okay, go.
Oh, so good. You're on the bed. You can't get up to the bed.
Hold up, time out. Oh. Hold up. Dude, I'm seeing if I can get a view of both the bed and the thing. Can I? Alright,
Yeah.
you got it. Come on. That one looks like it hurt.
No.
I didn't hear them say it's time to go to bed. I heard them say it's time to get ready for bed. Come on.
No more of this. I've already got hurt. And why is the fuse out?
Yeah, because you're not playing anymore, so we
Why is
don't
the
have
fuse
to
out?
listen. Shoot. Ah!
Ryan, you get a trash can. That has food in it. Food represented.
Liam ate that in here.
Liam? No, I didn't.
We both